Hi, it's Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, with my good buddy Paul the Cat. Not all projects will net you the most money. So today we're going to talk about things to avoid, which projects to do, and how to pick a contractor. Oh my, he just hissed at me. Did it work at all? Hi, it's Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, with my good buddy Mr. Licorice. Hey, how do you get the most bang for your bucks in home improvements? Are you thinking about selling your house and you're debating which projects to do? Well, not all home projects will net you the most money. So today we're going to talk about what to avoid, what projects to do, and how to pick a contractor. Number one, avoid these upgrades. While upgrading is a great way to build on your home's existing value, there are plenty of upgrades that aren't worth your time or trouble. Upgrading your kitchen to top of the line or professional grade or making lavish landscaping changes aren't very cost effective. You also want to avoid partial upgrades at any cost. While finishing projects may net you at least something in return, a half done project might actually hurt you in the final sales price. When you embark on this project, make sure you see this through to completion. Number two, try these instead. Adding to your home's value, however, isn't impossible. You just got to pick the right projects to pursue. Consider maybe replacing your garage door or front door with something newer or fresher. Improvements that catch the eye and make a good first impression are almost always worth looking into. While you don't want to go too in depth, making sure that the landscaping or the front of a house is clean and nice, this is a great first step. Inside, let's look at mid-range remodels and touch-ups like fresh carpeting and paint. Don't break the bank, but make sure these things are up to date and functional. Number three, now to the contractor. One of the most critical considerations for any home improvement project is the contractor that you choose to perform the work. The right contractor will help you control costs, suggest high quality additions that fit your budget, and get the details right the first time. In order to find this contractor, start by asking around with friends, family, and neighbors. Generate a list of top candidates and interview each of them to find the best fit. As you consider preparing your house for sale, remember strategic investments in your home can make a significant difference in the price, and we are here to help. I'm Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor. I go the distance for you.